हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। सो अगर आपने ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट किया है एंड नाउ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर द इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटी, देन लेट मी टेल यू देयर इज एन गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर you guys because ISRO has launched its second block of internship for the year 2023. So with this video you will get to know that what is the eligibility criteria to apply for this internship, what will be the application process and what are all the benefits you will be getting after doing this internship. So everything I am going to cover up over here, so do stick with the video till the end. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center is the lead center of Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) under the Department of Space and Government of India. So Vikram Sarabhai Space Center pioneers in rocket research and launch vehicle projects of ISRO. So ISRO हर साल 2 इंटर्नशिप लॉन्च करता है इन द 2 ब्लॉक्स. सो फर्स्ट इज़ द विंटर इंटर्नशिप एंड सेकंड इज़ द समर इंटर्नशिप. सो अगर हम समर इंटर्नशिप की बात करें, so it has already expired, which was from the month of May to July. And if we consider like the winter internship, so it will be from the month of October to December, so it is going to happen. So अगर आपने समर इंटर्नशिप मिस कर दी है, so you have this chance that you can appear for the winter internship. And the last date for the application, it will be from 31st of August. So if you are a citizen of India, then you are eligible for this internship. Rather than that, if you have pursued your courses in the disciplines of science and technology, and if that are relevant to the Department of Space or Indian Space Organization programs, alone will be considered. और अगर आपने BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc, Integrated MSc in Physics or Chemistry, BS, MS in the domain of Physics and Chemistry, so if you have completed that from a recognized university, then also you can apply for this internship. There is also one condition of the percentage for applying this internship. So अगर आपने graduation complete किया है, so आपका overall जो score है that should be above 60%, and in case of CGPA it should be above 6.32 if we consider the scale of 10. So now coming to the benefits of this internship, so it's an unpaid internship. आपको इसमें कुछ भी स्टाइपेंड वगैरह नहीं मिलेगा. Rather than that इसमें कोई चार्जेस भी नहीं है if you want to apply for this internship. So आपका internship complete होने के बाद में आपको एक सर्टिफिकेट मिलता है which is authorized by ISRO and that certificate has a lot of value. अगर आप कोई इंटरव्यू में भी अप्लाई करते हो, so at that time if you say that, if you show that certificate that you was an intern at ISRO, so that has a lot of value. Now coming to the process of application for this internship, so इस internship में आपको वेबसाइट पे जाके नहीं अप्लाई करना है जैसे हम बाकी इंटर्नशिप्स के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं. द प्रोसेस ऑफ अप्लीकेशन फॉर दिस इंटर्नशिप इज़ क्वाइट डिफरेंट. इसके लिए आपको एक PDF प्रोवाइड करते हैं दैट इज़ ऑल्सो गिवन ऑन द वेबसाइट एंड आई एम शेयरिंग दैट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स ऑल्सो. सो यू नीड टू फिल अप दैट PDF and you need to mail it on the given mail ID, or you can post it also on the given address which is available on the website also, and I am sharing in the description box also. So you can have a look and you can apply for this internship. So this is all about this internship. So you can get a chance to work with the scientists of ISRO, but जो unclassified उनके जो sectors है, only in that sectors only आपको जो internship की opportunity है वो provide की जा सकती हैं. So आपको इसमें कुछ भी डाउट्स, कुछ भी क्वेरीज है, यू कैन कमेंट मी इन अ कमेंट बॉक्स. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. डू लाइक द वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल.